Hi, Mrs. Birch here, vlog number 2. We're going to make some simple bird feeders today with some pieces of apple that are past their best and some Cheerios or any other cereal that has got a hole in the middle. You'll just need a piece of string or a pipe cleaner or both, and it's a really good activity for helping fine motor skills with threading onto the string.
Where did you get it? There's pencil is here. And look at mine. Guess what our friends does?
What have you just made?
Bird food?
Yeah, why did we make it today?
I think that the birds need it because the snow is in their way to eat worms.
Okay, we're going to hang up our bird rings now. We've done some apple ones and we've done some
Cheerio ones.
Cheerio ones. And we're going to hang them on the trees.
I put my ring on.
Okay, so that the birds can have a nice feast
I put
because they
all
haven't
my
got much
fingers
else
on
today.
And